In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Amazon Prime. We'll use the website method because it's the fastest and most straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect on each screen so you feel confident as you go. First, open your preferred web browser and go to amazon.com/prime. This is the official Prime page where Amazon outlines the benefits and the join options. Make sure you see Amazon's secure website indicators in your browser, then proceed. Next, sign in to your Amazon account. If you already shop on Amazon, use your existing login to keep your order history, addresses, and preferences in one place. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create one and follow the on-screen prompts to set it up. It only takes a moment and helps ensure your Prime membership is linked to you. Once you're signed in, look for the button that says Join Prime or Start Your Free Trial. Both lead you into the same sign-up flow. If you see the free trial option, it's simply letting you begin with a 30-day trial period before any billing kicks in. Now, choose the plan that fits you best. You'll typically see a monthly plan and an annual plan. Monthly gives you flexibility and the ability to pay as you go, while annual usually offers better overall value if you plan to keep Prime for the year. Pick the one that matches your needs and budget. You'll then add or confirm a payment method. Even if you're starting a free trial, Amazon requires a valid payment option so your membership can continue seamlessly after the trial ends. Double-check that your card details are correct and that your billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid any hiccups. When everything looks good, click Confirm or Start Membership. That's it. Your Prime membership starts immediately after sign-up. You can start enjoying benefits like fast delivery on eligible items, streaming video and music, special deals, and more right away. If you began with the free trial, keep in mind that you won't be charged until the trial ends. You can cancel any time before billing if you decide Prime isn't right for you. After the trial, your membership will automatically convert to the paid plan you selected using the payment method you confirmed. If you like to stay organized, consider adding a reminder near the end of your trial so you can review your choice in time. And that's the complete process. Head to amazon.com/prime, sign in or create your account, choose your plan, confirm payment, and start enjoying Prime today.